Well, hello everybody and happy Monday. It's Michelle here and I hope you all had a fabulous weekend. Well, today I'm so excited because I came into work and fell in absolute love with all of the new arrivals. I was so eager to style all of them and put together some great outfits that I thought would be sort of good transitional outfits. Right now in New Mexico, it's warm, it's cold, it's snowing, and so I thought, okay, I need to put together some looks that kind of takes us through all of the crazy weather. So we have new arrivals from Snowskins, from Piccadilly, Joseph Ribkoff, of course, and I combined all of those fabulous brands and came up with some really good looks for you girls. So let's go ahead and jump on into it. Here is what we have going on with the first look. So we got in this fabulous shirt from Snowskins. I love kind of the bold print paired with a nice fresh white pant going into the warmer weather. And then on top of it, I just paired this great Joseph Ribkoff silk little cover up. It's kind of a mix of a blazer and just a really good piece all together to just kind of pop over anything and everything. I could see this thrown over a little dress for maybe a spring wedding. But I love how it kind of matches the blue underneath. Just such a fun, fresh look. So love that outfit. That had to be the first one that I showed you girls. So this season, it's gonna be all about neons again, really bold, fun prints and bright, happy colors. So this is another little fun print that we got in from Snowskins. It's just a button-up blouse, but I thought how fun for right now to kind of just wear it as a jacket. I love the idea paired with, again, just a solid bold color underneath. And you can do a lot with this one. You can, again, maybe pop it over a dress. You can maybe do it to the office with a black pencil skirt. But today I just kind of paired it with a fun blue jean for maybe your casual outings, your errands, maybe you have a quick lunch with a girlfriend. I thought that was really cool. Next up, oh my gosh, you guys, I pulled this denim jacket at the last minute because I was like, oh, I am obsessed. So I had to use it to pair with one of our looks. This little jean jacket is a new one from Frank Lyman. You know we love our glitter, you know we love our sparkles. Check out the back. I love kind of that distressed rip look with the sparkles. I paired it under this great little Snowskins top. Again, as you can see, we're doing a lot of the fun, bold prints, and I just think it's so cute, so happy, so fun. And I paired it with just a little Joseph Ribkoff jean that kind of pulls in the same sparkle and sequence detail as the jacket. So I think this is such a cute little look. You can wear it to a million different events this season. So fun. This is another great one. This is a little pant that we just got in from Piccadilly, where I swear you can wear this a million different ways to just about every event that you have going on for the rest of the year. It is this lightweight fabric, and yes, it's meant to be wrinkly, which I really love. I hope you girls can see through the camera. I paired it, since it's still a little chilly, just with a fun little cropped sweater. Now, a lot of our pants are continuing to be a high rise, so you might see this and think, oh my gosh, that's so short, but this pant comes up quite high, so there's not gonna be any midriff or anything poking out. I love the hot pink, one of my personal favorite colors. And again, this season, you're gonna see a lot of this fun, really distressing detail. So I popped on a fun little yellow necklace, and that completes the look. So again, Snowskins. We're gonna continue with this print with the greens and the yellows and the blues and the pinks. This makes it easy to pair anything and everything with it. I love the color black. I know you all do too. I popped this fun little cover up from Piccadilly over it just to kind of mute it down a little bit. You could wear this with tights, leggings, a skinny jean, a little dress. If you're on the shorter side, let's see, I am 5'5" and it goes below my knee. So you can definitely do this as a little dress with a bootie right now since it's a little chilly. I thought that was so fun. So we're continuing on with sort of this wrinkled look, which is so cute. This is a fun one, a new one from Piccadilly. We did it in white and black, so we have both colors. This is so cute just because I'm eager to wear all the bright, fun colors. This little jean from Joseph Ribkoff. So I thought that would be a lot of fun together. So here is the black. If you're like me and can't get enough of black, you need this shirt in your wardrobe. And I just popped it on with a fun little staple pant from Joseph Ribkoff, and I think it really kind of spices it up so you're not black on black. So I'm telling you girls, I could have pulled a million different looks for you today. I got so excited and so carried away, but it is new arrivals week at Gee Loretta. You have to come in and see everything. Everything's so fun, so cute, and so fresh. So we hope to see you in this week at Gee Loretta. See you girls later.